Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to explain comes from recommendations shared by the technicians at this appliance repair shop who have years of experience. So relax, we're going to fix this issue. When a customer brings in their Sharp microwave showing EE17, they usually say something like, "I was about to use it normally, and suddenly it stopped working." That's when we explain something important. This code usually points to an internal electronic issue rather than something visible like a broken part. Now, something we hear a lot from customers is, "It was working perfectly, and then out of nowhere the error showed up," and that matches what we see in the shop and in real-life cases. This type of failure doesn't usually give any warning, because it's often related to the unit's internal communication, almost like the microwave stops understanding itself internally. That's why the first thing we always recommend is something simple, doing a reset by unplugging the unit for a few minutes. It may sound basic, but disconnecting it and plugging it back in can sometimes bring it back to normal. This happens because the control board can get stuck and just needs a reset. From there, if the error comes back, we start looking at something more serious, the main control board. In the shop, we see this pretty clearly. One technician often says, "When the board fails or loses communication, the unit protects itself and throws codes like this." This can happen due to wear, power fluctuations, or simply long-term use. At the same time, we also check something many people overlook, the internal wiring. Even though it's not visible, over time some connectors can loosen or make poor contact. In fact, some customers tell us, sometimes it would turn on, sometimes it wouldn't, which usually points to unstable internal connections. On the other hand, in some more specific cases, the issue can come from the control panel or an internal sensor that isn't sending the correct information. It's not the most common cause, but we've seen it in the shop, especially in units that have been used for many years. Additionally, it's important to keep in mind that these errors don't always have a very detailed public explanation from the manufacturer. In general, they're protection systems designed to prevent further damage. In other words, the microwave prefers to shut down rather than risk a bigger failure.